Hey, what's up, guys? This is Teacher Ben. Uh, this is kind of like a cooking, but just kind of putting together my breakfast here. So, put you down here on the side and have a peach here. I'm trying to lose weight, so it's just basically juice and peaches and toast until I can get my weight down. All right, so we're gonna wash this baby. All right, and all right, so here we go with cutting the peach. See if I can get that on camera. There we go. And I hit the seed, but I did end up getting it, so. Okay. All right, so let's put those in a bowl.
You don't have time this morning, babe?
I will have time like 1 p.m. Actually, I got a computer guy at 11:30, so.
How about tomorrow?
Tomorrow's better, yeah.
Or are you in line?
Yeah. All right, so now we're gonna make the juice, and this stuff was only like $1. So if you can, and it's actually probably better than the cartons of juice I've been buying. If you have the time to wait 5 hours for it to thaw, and then make it, it's better and it costs way less. I think the cartons were like $3.99, whereas this is $1. So like 400% savings right there. And once it's made, it is really pretty delicious. It does go sour after 2 or 3 days if you don't drink it after 2 or 3 days. But normally, since it's really good, I do drink it after 2 or 3 days. So here we go with concentrate. Now we just need 3 of these. Right now it's been 5 minutes since I woke up, and I am already completely woken up, so. And this picture here was given to me from my mother's friend. She's an amazing friend, and that was a wedding present. So we have peaches, we have juice, and now let me throw this in the trash. All right, now we'll make the toast. Give me a minute. So here we have some jelly. And so a lot of time when I spread the jelly, I have no idea how it happens, but there always becomes jelly in between my fingers. And this is actually the finished product. Here we go. Just get a little 3/4 of a cup and put this baby in the fridge. And let me show you what my breakfast is looking like. So we do have toast, peaches, and we also have that glass of apple juice. So there you have it. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.